Hello everyone, this is Ada and I'm excited to show you how FeetFinder works. Don't go away. FeetFinder is the easiest and safest website to buy and sell exclusive feet content, and the sign-up process takes just a few minutes and all sellers are ID verified before their account is approved. This verification ensures that all of the content available to buyers is coming from real people. And as a buyer, you have the option to purchase individual photos and videos from a seller, or you can subscribe for a monthly fee to view all of their content. Buyers can message sellers directly for a custom request, and the seller can decide whether or not the buyer needs to be subscribed, and then they can send a custom offer. Once you receive the offer, you can choose as the seller to accept it or reject it. An awesome feature of FeetFinder is that they automatically blur any content that the seller uploads, and the buyer can still see a preview so that the seller is getting paid and the buyer is getting a preview to make sure that they're getting what they paid for. So that is an awesome feature. Buyers can search for their favorite categories such as heels, toes, long toes, soles, really anything, fishnets, anything like that. You can search for it. You can also search specific sellers, use keywords. You can look specifically for photos or videos. Just anything you want, you can search it and filter it out to find exactly what you're looking for. To ensure that all transactions are fully secure, we have partnered with SegPay, the global leader in digital payment processing, and they do have PCI compliance. US sellers will receive their payment through SegPay, while international sellers are going to receive their payment through Pics. The awesome thing on FeetFinder is that models are paid 80% of their sales total, while the other 20% goes towards updates, security of the website, as well as adding new features to the website to help buyers and sellers find each other. Do you have a friend who would want to sign up? If you do, you can share your referral link from your account with your friends and you'll get 10% of the sales from their content. The best part is when someone uses your referral code, you'll get the 10% because it comes out as the FeetFinder's fee. So they will still get all of their sales and you will still get your 10% even if they have not sold any of their feet content yet. Check out all of the hundreds of 5-star reviews from verified users describing their fantastic experience using FeetFinder, and come see for yourself why they're the safest, easiest, and most secure website to buy and sell feet content in the world. Sign up at FeetFinder.com today. And if you want to learn more about FeetFinder, be sure to check out the playlist on the end screen at the end of this video, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Again, this is Ada, and I'm wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Thank you for watching our video. Click here to learn more about FeetFinder.com, and click here to learn how to buy and sell your feet content on FeetFinder.com.